Hello, fellow Atomians. Let us all rise and shine with our products. Diba? Sabi kanina sa atin, diba? Let us all shine and rise. And this time, I'm going to share to you our absolute quality and absolute price products in which you really need to share to everyone. So let us all listen and learn about our products. So this is our platform. Once again, I am Sharon Rose Master Nori Magsingit from Fairview Lagros Center. Okay, so this is our platform. So I hope that in our platform, you have already navigated on this. And for those who haven't had navigated it, especially for those who are older, I mean the baby boomers, as we said, diba, you can help them to navigate. Okay, so you can see on that platform all our products, and it is very specific also, those products that we have. So right now, we're going to click on the health supplement. So our product comes in the word or the concept behind mastige, meaning okay, the target are the mass people. This is our daily usage. Okay, so ibig sabihin, ginagamit natin pang araw-araw. And it says prestige. Actually, there is no company in this world that would say or claim that they have a prestige product. They would say in an excellent, but they would not say absolute. Kasi pag sinabi mong absolute, ano yon? Lahat-lahat na yon, di ba? I-claim mo siya lahas. And that is where our company have coined our product. Okay, so, eto po ang aking favorite. Yan, one of my favorite products. So this is Himuhim, Sopalmeto, and Milk Thistle. So we're going to zero in on this, and we're going to know more about our products. Okay, so let's start with our Himuhin. My favorite. Why? Because the one standing in front of you is a cancer survivor for 7 years because of the Atomy products, specifically the Himuhim. So let us first start. What is immunity? So we will see here okay, that immunity is the ability to recognize and resist virus as well as the bacteria. Not only the bacteria, but as well as the fomites and other microorganisms that would enter the body. And this is innate in us. Ibig sabihin, nandun siya sa katawan natin. Okay, so you have your kulani, right? So when you have your kulani, meaning your immunity is fighting for all the pathogens or the bacteria or the virus that is entering into your body. And its function is, stop, right? So that's one of the purpose of our immunity. So they stop it to enter our body. And also, okay, remember that our Himuhim is what we call as functional food. Why functional food? Because it boosts our immune system. Meaning, it helps to strengthen our immune cell. Thereby, any foreign substance that comes to our body that would harm our body, ini-stop niya yon. Okay, eliminate niya yon. So, tinatanggal niya yon. Okay, but of course, if there is a decreased immune system in your body, that's the time that the bacteria and virus comes in and enter inside your body. Okay? So these are the components of blood in our immune system. Actually, our immune system has the compositions of blood. So we have the white blood cells. Okay, so in the blood components, we have the platelet. And what does platelet do? The platelets helps with blood clotting and tissue repair. That's why in dengue fever, remember? In dengue fever, tinatanong, ilan na ba ang kanyang platelet? So usually the platelet is, the normal platelet is around 100 to 150 to to 400. So pagbagsak siya, what happened to the patient? Nagbi-bleed siya, right? So the platelet is the one strengthening, okay, the veins para hindi siya pumutok. Okay? So what about the RBC? It helps in the transporting the oxygenated blood. Okay. So remember that all the nutrients coming in the body, kaya tayo sinasabing yung syncope, hinihimatay, ganyan, because we have a decrease o kaya nahihilo, nagbe-vertigo because of the decreased oxygen in or distribution of oxygen in our brains. So actually, it's the RBC who's the one, okay, traveling all the nutrients and oxygenated blood. And we have now the white blood cells in our body, which is responsible also as a gatekeeper. So sila yung taga-detect, di ba? You will see how wonderful God is. May mga gatekeeper, di ba? May mga nagdi-detect, okay? To eliminate all the pathogens in our body. So we have also, in the white blood cells, hindi lang siya basta white blood cells, they are the soldiers of our body. And in the white blood cells, okay, they have the what we called as the monocytes, okay, and then they have the granulocytes and the lymphocytes. So when napansin nyo, pag inextrakan kayo ng blood, di ba? Pag inextrakan kayo ng blood, tinitignan nila yung WBC nyo as well as the neutrophils. So if there is an increase in the WC and neutrophils, it means it's a bacteria. But if there is a decrease in the WBC as well as a decrease or a normal, okay, neutrophils, it means virus ang meron ka. Okay? So dun nag-aano ng mga gamot ang mga doctors. Okay? So the T cells is the one recognizing, okay, our immune system. Okay? So actually the B cells, it is an antibody productions. The T cells naman siya, okay, siya naman yung pumapatay. Okay, so siya yung pumapatay. The other one is the gatekeeper, the other one naman pumapatay, and the other one, the NK cells, engulf. So pag hindi siya napatay ni T cells, ano nangyayari? Papasok si natural killer cells. Okay? So ang gagawin niya, i-engulf niya yan, lulunukin niya. Okay, so the neutrophil, eosinophils, and the eosinophils or the granulocytes, this is wherein your reaction. This is a reaction na pag halimbawang kinagat ka ng lamok, what does the immune system do? Mangangati ka, right? So that's the reaction, meaning may pumapasok sa iyo na mga virus or pathogens in your body. Okay, so the role of the monocytes is they are the messengers, they signal. Okay, so the T cells are if you're going to summarize it, the B cells is the one who recognize, uy, may virus, may bacteria. The T cells now, wow, sabi niya, I will detect and destroy this kind of bacteria and virus. See, ang ganda, di ba? And they are the one who says, papatayin kita. I am ready to kill you. So they are the patrol of our body. Ang cute, di ba? Okay, so the natural is the messenger. Sabi niya, kailangan mag-secrete ng cytokine para ma-engulf kita. So, sobrang ganda, di ba, ng ginagawa ng Diyos sa atin. Just in the blood, right? Okay, so, hemohim develops in Kyrie. Okay, so, Kyrie, okay, is Korean Atomic Energy Research Institute, and there are a lot of scientists already dying due to the radiation exposure. And because of that, the government requests them, the scientists, to develop a functional food. Ito po yung, they did a development, they developed a functional food and they called it a biodefense, that it took them around 8 years to do it. And then it was forwarded to the Colmart Beauty and Health, which was established also. And actually, they had also a research on that. And they need to test if the biofunctional food that was developed by the Kyrie is really an organic thing. Okay, and then they pass it to the evaluation of manufacturing, food, and drug, and safety. So meaning, kailangan ipasa siya dyan para sigurado na pag binigay sa tao, hindi siya makakasira ng katawan natin. Okay? And then, when they prove and pass the MFDS, they now started to commercialize it in partnership with the Atomy. Kaya po mababa ang presyo ng ating mga produkto. Diretso po siya. Walang middleman. Okay? So, our Himuhim, okay, has the what we call as natural killer cell vitality. Okay, so it has, kaya ang ginagawa niya ay siya yung nagme-message. Okay, nagme-message siya doon sa ating cytokines. Okay, to produce the bone marrow ng mga soldier cells. So yun na po ang ginagawa niya, and it destroy all harmful cells directly. It has also our Himuhim has the capacity to enhance our cytokine production, meaning it signals, okay, or it send message again, okay, to our protein in our body that plays a central role in the immune system. Ang ganda, di ba? So pag-aaralan mo talaga siya, nandyan na lahat. What else? It enhance immunity of our body also. So it maintains health. So pag mataas ang immune system natin, wala kang sakit. You know what? In this rainy season, right, I have a lot of my supervisors in one room, ano. Ako lang po hindi nagkasakit. Lahat sila, okay, may sipon, may ubo, nagkasakit. That's why they were so amazed. Sabi nila, ma'am, what are you, taking? Kasi bakit lahat kami nagkasakit, ikaw hindi? Why? Because of these Himuhim products. Because it enhanced my immunity. During the COVID, hindi rin po ako nahawaan ng COVID. Why? Because again, I keep on taking Himuhim already. That's my daily intake. Kaya gustong-gusto ko yung Himuhim challenge eh. Kasi it's my, madali lang sa akin yan. It's so easy because before I take my breakfast, umiinom ako niyan. So what else? The Himuhim also increase our biodefense. So paano niya ini-increase? Kapag yung ating monocytes and then the biocells, hindi siya umubra at nakapasok pa rin siya sa body natin, ano nangyayari? Magpo-produce siya ngayon ng mga fighter cells, mga soldiers. Yung soldier cells natin, magpo-produce siya ng B cells, T cells, NK T cells. Imagine, that is how our Himuhim works, right? Okay, so these are the ingredients, okay, or the natural contents found in our Himuhim. So we have the carbohydrates. Our carbohydrates are around 2,000 grams per day tayo, pwede. Sugars, okay, total fat, and then sodium. And I want to underscore the chlorogenic acid, nodakinine, and punifluorine. What are those things? Okay, so let's study. These are the things that is included in our Himuhim. Bakit siya maganda? Okay. So, these are the 3 major plants. Mamaya, we're going to study on that. These are the major plants, okay, that is included in our Himuhim. We have the Angelica gigas, Syzygium sinense, Peony lactiflora. And Himuhim has a substance with a special immune function, and it's been developed with biological engineering, meaning it is taken freshly, managed, and stored. So pag in-extract nila yan, very fresh. They maintain the freshness of it kasi mamamatay yung enzymes, okay? And then it is exposed in radiation, meaning they remove the radicals and other pathogens or microorganism. Kasi syempre nasa yan, i-extract nila, di ba? With the environment that we have right now, may mga viruses and other bacteria that comes to that plant, but what they're doing is they expose it to the radiation to remove all the radicals before they place it in a sachet. Okay, so these are the functions of the chlorogenic acid. Now, in the chlorogenic acid, Okay, so it can be found in the coffee and tea also, as well as in the fruit and vegetable, and has the capacity, okay, for antioxidant, anti-inflammatory, and metabolic benefits. So yung namamaga, it is normal to our body to have the what we call the as oxidative states. And what is oxidative state? Oxidative state, yan po yung nadadamage yung cells natin. And that's normal. Diba, minsan bigla ka na lang nababahing. Diba? So, ibig sabihin po nun, that is your reaction to the virus that's coming. And pag nagka-fever ka, meaning, okay, doon na yung tinatawag na oxidative state. Yung iyong blood cells, ay yung naghihiwalay na siya, hihiwa-hiwalay. Dapat kasi ang blood cells natin laging may partner. So that's called the oxidative state, in which the response now is for us to have a fever. Okay, so it prevents us from having antioxidant state. Okay, itong pinaka-importante, maganda. Supports metabolism and weight management. Hindi ka ganong tataba, di ba? Yan. What else? It influences glucose and fat metabolism. So, ibig sabihin, it destroys the fats in our body. And what happened? Now, it is absorbs and then out to our body. So, even our blood sugar, I have a friend also wherein 600 ang kanyang blood sugar. After taking for 6 months, from 600 to 400, and this is daily, and you have to have faith in taking it. You know, ngayon, 136 milligram na lang siya per deciliter. Okay, so it regulates our blood sugar, our cardiovascular protection also, especially for those who had open heart surgery. So, pwede po ang ating himuhim. It has an anti-inflammatory effect. Lahat ng mga namamaga, kaya niya po ang pabain. Yung mga namamagang paa, you take himuhim po. Kaya niya po yung i-reduce, okay? It has a neuroprotective potentials din po. Okay, so we have the peony fluorine. So what does peony fluorine has in our himuhim? It nourishes the blood, okay? So it regulates the menstruation sa yung mga hirap, di ba? Sa ating mga during menstruations, it relieves pain and spasm, okay? And then it has an anti-inflammatory, again, neuroimmune modulatory, analgesic. So, kapag may pain ka na nararanasan or you're experiencing pain, you have to take this. Okay, anti-spasmodic, kapag medyo masakit ang iyong tiyan, sikmura, you can take it. Cardiovascular and hepato, meaning it protects also our liver. Maganda, hindi? Maganda. What else? Another composition that is inside our himuhim is the what we call as the coumarin. It is a compound found in the root of the Angelica gigas. That's why we are always telling our members that when they are taking Coumadin, okay, you have to separate it in taking himuhim. Because it has a what we call as a Coumadin effect or lumalabnaw siya. Why? Because it is where the himuhim start or asking or messaging to produce blood. And when it is producing blood in ang bone marrow, nag-hemolyze po ang blood natin, lumalabnaw, which causes you to have bleeding. So what's happening? Dapat 1 hour apart siya with your warfarin or as well as with your Coumadin. Okay? So it has an anti-inflammatory, prevents protective, neuroprotective, antioxidant, hepatoprotective again, it protects your liver, and again, anti-obesity, and again, emulsifications of fat. Tinutunaw niya yung mga nakain nating mga fatty foods. Masarap kasing kumain ng fatty foods, di ba? Sarap chicharon, di ba? Oh, di ba? Pero, okay. But of course, di ba, we have to guard our health. Okay, because health is really very important. So let us know the 30-year history of himuhim. Okay, in the 30 year, in 1997, there is a selection of a national research project. So that is where the himuhim started. In 2000, it was applied for patency. Ibig sabihin, Walang pwedeng gumaya or else madidimanda ka. Okay, and the applications of all the plant composition in 2003, there is now the Himohim patency approval and the initiation of commercialization. So it's now being commercialized because it has underwent clinical trials or a research. And you can see that in the www.ncbi.gov. Diba? .gov. Okay? So all the research there, yun po ang binabasa namin pag sa mga medical fields, sa mga nursing, dapat po nandun siya. Pag wala ang research nila doon, it's not really a good product. And we are very proud that our Himohim is on that publication. Okay? So it is also individually approved certification in 2006. 2007 po, kinommercialized natin. It entered to the United States in 2010. It's patented. In 2023, we have the Himohim G. What's the Himohim G? Ito po yung para yung Himohim po ay mapasok doon sa requirements in a particular country like the European countries as well as also in other Muslim countries. Ayan. So, Himohim recognized also the fatigue improvement. So, there is now a recent study regarding this na lahat ng mga nag-take ng Himohim, okay, nagkakaroon sila ng strength, di ba? Yes. So, you have to take it, lalo na pag stressful ang life mo. Pag dumating si Judith, di ba? Bumabagsak ngayon ang immune system. Kasi nandyan si Judith in Meralco, Judith in... So you have to take a Himohim, all right? So another is, in 2024, we have what we call Himohim Anti-Doping Certified. So this is the anti-doping certified na ito. Ginagamit po ito sa mga athletes, okay? So that when they take this Himohim, di ba drug test sila? So they have to, dapat hindi sila positive for any drugs. So they pass also the anti-doping, okay, or the World Anti-Doping for athletes. And in 2024, okay, they had an academic forum and now they did a publication of the Himohim book. So ang ganda, di ba? Okay, so we have 23 international patents for a single product. It is the first Korean dual functionality for immune system enhancement and fatigue improvement, which is already approved. So, Himohim is recommended for athletes? Yes. For homemakers? Yes. For employees? Yes. For students? Yes. For seniors? Yes, absolutely. Yes. Why? Because it boosts our immune system and help us to become healthy with a vibrant life. Diba? Okay. So kaya nandito ako standing. Diba? I have a vibrant face and life. Okay? Because of Himohim. Okay, Himohim was developed to regulate our immune system, which is very important in our body, improve immune function, protect tissues from the damage with document effects of immunity. So we have a lot of 32 clinical trials now. We have antioxidant activity and anti-fatigue properties. Now, my question is, do we need to take Himohim? Yes. Why? Because it awakens our immune system. And when our immune system it awakens, it improves our health. Okay, and improves our immune system. Hindi ka madaling magkasakit. Okay, hindi ka madaling mahawaan. Alright. So next, the next product that I'm going to share with you is what we call Asopalmeto. And this is for men. Okay, but pwede din siya sa women, no? But of course, the focus is more on men. All right, so what is prostate? A prostate is a gland in a male reproductive organ that is size of a walnut And it is situated, surrounds the urethra and urinary bladder, and it secretes the what we call as prostatic fluid, which is one component, very important components. This is to protect our sperm. Ay, their sperm pala, hindi mais, ours. Sinasama ko sarili ko, no? Okay. So, why keeping prostate health important? Because at the age of 40, sino yung mga 40-year-old dito? Okay. Ay, wala. Ay, meron naman doon. At the age of 40, doon yun makikita yung problema sa prostate. Yes, it starts on there, on that age. And then, once you become older, okay, more than 40, 50 and above. Walang 50 and above. So those 50 and above, okay, have a higher chance of developing the symptoms. Okay? So, ingat-ingat. Okay. So sabi po dito, okay, the prostate problem now is related to our daily lifestyle. So what lifestyle? Sedentary activity. You sit for long hours. And now the younger people are very prone to that because they are on mahilig sila sa virtual na trabaho, right? So what else? Yes, they have stress in work, they drink, they smoke, and they eat a lot of meat. True? Hindi na nila alam ang saluyot, hindi na nila alam ang talong, okra. Ay, diba? Ganyan sila. So, that's why they are really very prone in developing the prostate problems. Okay? So, this is an statistics in the Philippines. So, statistics shows that 24% of Filipino men aged 50 to 59 suffer for at least moderate symptoms of benign prostatic hyperplasia. And this BPH now, if it's not or it is left untreated, it can lead to acute urinary retention and requires surgery. Not only that, if the patient is in severe pain, okay, pwede siyang mag-cardiac arrest on that. And I have a patient on that wherein he was in severe pain because of this problem. Doon po siya nag-cardiac arrest. Okay? So, prostate cancer in the Philippines, according to the Department of Health, prostate cancer affects about 19.3% out of 100,000 Filipino men. Tignan niyo yung katabi niyo. You look at the people around you or the men around you. Do you belong to this? Okay? So in 2020, it is estimated that 8,242 Filipinos men were newly diagnosed, making prostate cancer the third most common cancer, okay, in Filipino males and the fifth most common overall. Okay, so sa overall kasi we have the cardiovascular disease, diba, the neurogenic, and as well as the cancer. Okay, and what are the problems na may encounter nyo, okay, in your prostate? You have the prostatitis. So this is the infections or inflammations of the prostate. Yung namamaga siya. Yan. So it is yung benign prostatic hyperplasia. This is related to aging. Okay, so medyo lumalaki siya. Yan, lumalaki. Okay, yung prostate gland. Silipin nyo na lang mamaya. Ha? Okay, so prostate cancer. Prostate cancer, this is a growth of cancer cells inside the prostate. And of course, if it's not treated, nagme-metastasize siya, meaning kumakalat siya. So what causes then this problem? Again, the BPH, what we call, is related to age. So 50 and above. Pag 40 and above, because of the obesity, okay? So what else? The prostate cancer. Okay, so this is self-assessment. Okay, so please check on that. Okay, that if you have this, nahirapan umihi, lalo na paggabi, yan po ang nangyayari. Okay, so meaning you have a problem in the prostate. Okay, so this is now a Sofalmeto also, another product that we have. So this is found in the Native American Okay, and it has 7 years already existence and is resistant to fire, drought, and insects. And this is used also, the Sopal method, to block our testosterone. Okay, especially in producing ditestosterone. And what is that? So ito po yung inhibit niya yung growth, okay, ng prostate enlargement natin. Right? So, this is the nutritional facts, okay, in our Sopal method. So we have the lauric acid also. And then this is the composition of our Sopal method. So the very important here is the octaconazole. So this is a bioactivant that can boost energy and stamina to men. Okay, remember, di ba yung mga migratory bird? So that's why they are very strong. Okay, because of the composition of the octanazole. You have the vitamin E, the zinc, and the Sopal method, which is very responsible for for their immune system also, and the reproductive problems. Okay, so it prevents blood clots also. So what you need to do is to do a lifestyle change. So, ibig sabihin, decrease ang inyong eating ng mga meat. And you do Mediterranean style diet, meaning you have to eat fruit, vegetables, more on fruit and vegetables. Okay, so this is recommended to all men with this, right? So we have our milk tissues, which is very important. It's the largest organ in our body. And then, it has a function also, okay, to secrete, to detoxify our fats. Okay, and it has the following, the milk thistle that is included there, which is responsible also for the antioxidants of our body and the liver cells. We have the rhodiola that is included there to regulate metabolism, our blood pressure, to regulate our stress and wakefulness, okay, pag di ka makatulog. Okay, and then we have the compositions of these milk thistles. We have the vitamin B1, which is the thiamine that we call responsible for our nerve and heart. We have the B2 or the riboflavin, aids for the productions of our RBC and energy retentions. And then we have our B6. These are the making of our red blood cells to support our immune system and brain. And we have the B5. And B5 po is to help breaks our fat and carbohydrates. Okay, so this is a very good study wherein upon taking, they have research, okay, na 4 months tinake nila. So the one is placebo and then the other one is a controlled group. So this, it's noticed that the SGOT, meaning the damage in the liver, okay, was decreased, okay, in terms of 0.08 when they took the milk thistle. Okay, so maganda siya to protect our liver as well as our heart muscles and as well as our kidney. So our milk thistles is recommended for this people. Okay, people who need improved health, wants to boost nutrients and metabolism, and others. Okay, basta importante, ito po ay for our liver, protections of our liver. But very important po, ang nakaka-cause po, sa totoo lang, ng decrease ng immune system natin are the stress. That's the number one factor, and that is based on the Japanese research. So, you have to look at your right and left. Ayan, nakangiti ba siya? Hindi. Kasi in one of the study, it says there, in one of the study na pag 1 minute ka daw na nakasimangot, or you frown from war for 1 minute, your immune system decreases to 1 hour. But if you are nag-frown ka, nakasimangot ka, okay, ng 1 hour, 24 hours decrease ang immune system nyo. So wherein the pathogens now come into your body. So with that, okay, thank you so much. I am Sharon Rose Master, Nori Magsingit from Fairview Lagos Center.